please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? TonioDaQuietStorm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope you're doing great. Staying safe out there, having fun, enjoying life, and all that good stuff. Well, today I'm coming to you with my brother Gat Gat right here. And we're going to actually be, there's a lot of YouTubers that do reviews on the Pedalbox and they scats and they Hellcats. Well, this will probably be a first. We're going to test this Pedalbox on a SXT Plus. So let's get it. So we got right now we got Pedalbox off right now. So just give you a lesson right now. So So you kind of hear it a little bit, kind of shifting late and whatnot. That's what the pedal box is off. So we're gonna get down the road a little bit and turn around, and we're gonna turn the pedal box back on. Turn the pedal box on and check out the different modes. So it's just standard regular car mode right now because the pedal box is off, as I said. We'll get down here, turn around, go from there. So right now you see that you also saw that the pedal box was off, so I ain't lying to you. But it definitely does make a difference. I will tell you that. Seems like it takes forever to get where we need to go, but it's all good. We're gonna turn up here. This the junkyard. I'm cold. Yeah, I ain't about that. You know. I'm gonna pass every day. We're gonna show you the different modes. I'm gonna let Gat Gat talk to you. Explain to you guys, you can see the different modes. So that you got,
you can see that right there. So just want to turn it on. Now it's green, so it's showing on. Back up a little bit. The first mode we're gonna do is the theft mode. So we get back. Alright, put it in theft. Yeah. See what that does.
I ain't going nowhere.
Got to settle down to the floor.
Check it out. Pedal.
Ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere. I mean, it's moving because I'm on the hill, but I ain't going nowhere. Let me show y'all again. See, I can't even go backwards, you see? Pedal to the floor, I can't even go reverse. Can't go nowhere.
Alright, no. We're gonna go to, let's do valet mode, I guess. And we'll put it on 2%. Let's see what that does.
Valet mode in reverse. Still can't do too much. Valet mode.
Yeah, you don't need to be going too much. You park in my car. You valet.
True. Valet mode right there. Working and everything.
Alright. Next mode we'll go to kids mode.
Use the parking lot.
Kids mode is only gonna let you go pretty much, I think it said 40%. Yeah, it goes 40%. You can see that. So pretty much, if your kid is driving your car and you got the pedal box on, they won't be able to speed.
So it's in the keys mode right now. I'm gonna look to this truck come and then we're gonna get on the road and I'll show you what kid mode is. I got it to the flow, and that's fast I'm going right now. It's just creeping up in kids mode, so that definitely helps out when your kids drive your car. You don't want them to go over a certain amount, and you got a sports car or something, and they want to show out. Turn that pedal box on.
So, and the good thing with this new pedal box Shout out to Game Life for the food. I'm gonna put it. Well, I'm not gonna do eco mode because that's just basically just like the standard. I mean, it still has this difference in between the standard, with or without the pedal box. Well, eco mode is pretty much your everyday driving, but we're gonna put it in sport. See what that does. That's on 100%. Oh Lord, you might have a good,
whole lot different.
lot of pickup, real quick pickup.
Make sure you don't redline it. Because you will redline if you ain't paying attention. Pretty much gonna just this humid area.
Alright, and I got one last move on mine. I haven't set up but one move for me, and if you can see, what did it say? Gat Gat all in. So let's go all in, y'all.
I want to stop for this.
Here we go.
Picks up real quick. Take out how fast I'm almost at 100 right now.
Thought you want to tell them how fast you want. Oh, you said you almost.
I said I'm almost.
Okay, I got you.
But as you see, this thing picks up real quick. Pedalbox, it is worth the money. I will be soon. Well, I ain't gonna say soon, but I will be getting one for my scat. So it's worth it, man. I mean, it's everything. What you heard about it, that's what it is. Like you said, him and like he explained it a whole lot better and shows you everything, and it does what he said it does. So shout out to him once again. I'm about to pass turn again. Make your head jerk. I tell you that. Make your head jerk. Yeah, man. Pretty much that's basically the pedal box right there. All the different modes that Gat Gat has set up on it, and he's still playing with it a little bit also. So check it out. Make sure you if you want one, go ahead and get you one. And like I said, shout out to him and like for showing us the new technology with the pedal box. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing in recording these videos. Let me know if you like them or not, or what I can do better with it. Just let me know. I love criticism. I also love, to let me know if I'm doing a good job or not. I definitely appreciate all your comments and your advice and stuff, because I can use it. It helps me to grow as well. But appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you watching. As I end all my videos, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you trust, believe, have faith in Him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, and have faith in yourself, and everything will be alright, because you can do anything that you put your mind to. And let's all go up in 2021 and beyond. On that note,